Increased emissions, sluggish acceleration, whining noise coming from your engine? You may be in need of a turbocharger replacement in your Caterpillar C15. Minimize downtime and negative impacts to your revenue. Choose balanced, long-lasting power. Install a turbocharger for your C15 from Highway and Heavy Parts. Deliver more power to your engine while also increasing fuel economy and reducing emissions by replacing your old turbo. Each turbo is built to OE specifications and tolerances, ensuring quality and consistency, fitting perfectly on your Caterpillar C15. Compressor and turbine wheels are rigorously tested. Noisy operation is reduced because bolt driver technology is used to tighten the bolts at the correct torque to prevent the heat shield from scraping the turbine wheel. If you're looking for quicker boosts with less lag time, this turbocharger for your Caterpillar C15 is the answer. And don't forget to check out HHP's wide selection of diesel engine parts, keeping your truck out of the service bay and on the road with Highway and Heavy Parts. Backed by 1-year warranty and industry-leading service from our ASE certified parts technicians. Connect with HHP for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we will be there.